Hi, everybody. Thanks for joining me. This is Jan from Serendipity Soul Acrylic Art. I just wanted to do a quick video tonight to let you know that I've been working on a few pieces. I'm really struggling with my video quality skills, and I apologize. I don't have a great setup in my art room yet. I took over my eldest son's old bedroom. He's 32 now, has a family of his own, and instead of a guest room, I've just decided that this is now my art haven. This art form has really given me a lot of therapy, a lot of meditative time, good quality time to be creative, and it's good for the spirit and good for the soul. I don't know if I ever explained to you why I called my channel Serendipity Soul, but serendipity literally means finding something beautiful and something unexpected. And blessing your soul is something that's very important to me, and my art gives me a lot of great pleasure. I've had a few videos up, and then just as I got started with my channel, I got sick and I had to step back a little bit. But I've been working on some pieces that I had started. I had not videoed very well, and I've been doing a little bit of varnishing. And today I've been working on embellishing a piece that I poured that I felt like it was a little bit dark, but I wanted to brighten it up a little bit. This was a piece that I did. It was a flip cup pour, and I just felt like it was a little bit dark, but it reminded me of an underwater seascape a little bit, and I kind of just felt like it needed something to bring it out. So what I've been doing is I have been using glitter. I just use glitter on with a little bit of Mod Podge in a cup, and I use toothpicks to touch the glitter where I want it to give it a shine on the canvas. Now this has not been varnished, but this really brought out the colors and the areas that I wanted to highlight. I still think it looks like coral underneath the sea, but I guess I will leave that to whoever's interpretation that wants to look at it. But I'm really looking forward to letting this one finish curing and drying so that I can actually get it varnished, but I think it's got a great sparkle to it. Another piece that I've been working on today, actually these are pieces that I did a couple of months ago, but these were Dutch pours, and I wanted them to cure for quite some time before I actually varnished them. So I have one coat of varnish on these now. This was using Liquitex Basics colors, violet, teal, uh, brilliant yellow, and a little bit of copper. And this one actually has a mate to it. This one. I think that the gloss varnish looks pretty nice on it. It really looks kind of old. It's strange. It hasn't cracked, but it has a beautiful old look to it that I've really found to be really pretty, actually. These are going to get another coat or two to really gloss them up. I've already um, signed them, and I want to make sure that that gets glossed over as well. But this is a couple of other pieces I've been working on today, getting those varnished. It's been a really good day today in my little art room. I don't have very often. I don't have days that I can, spend an entire day in here working. But today I really have been able to. This is another one that I did. It's really pretty. It's also got an undercoating. This one actually has an undercoating of crackle varnish. I wanted it to look old, and I wanted it to look antique. This has got Payne's gray, olive green, copper, teal, white, titanium white, and if I'm not mistaken, I think I put just a little bit of brilliant blue in there. But as you can tell, it kind of that undercoat of crackle varnish really gives it a little bit of a luster. Again, I've signed these pieces, and I'm going to be putting another couple coats on these, but these are things that I've been working on. I did another one that I also put the crackle varnish on because this one looked like fire to me, but I'm not happy with it at all. I don't know. It actually looks broken. The crackle varnish on this, I guess because I had so much white area, I wanted some negative space up here, but I wanted this to look like fire coming out, and I don't think that this was a very successful piece, but I do like the colors. It had orange, it had copper, it had Payne's gray, it had navy blue, and titanium white. I did use silicone in this. I didn't get a lot of cells, but just a tiny drop is all that I used in the white. I think I probably should have um, done a little bit in maybe in the copper or the orange that to make the fire. But it's, I don't know. I think it makes the canvas look warped. I mean, it's smooth. It's not broken, but it definitely looks like the paint cracked, but it didn't. I don't know how to explain it. If anybody knows anything more about crackle varnish and the pros and cons of using it, I would be very grateful for comments down in the bottom of this video. But for now, I think I may just keep this piece for now. I really like it because it really does evoke thoughts of fire for me, but not really, really happy with it. Anyway, just thought I'd touch base, drop you a note, and let you know that I am working. I'm working hard to try to build my channel, and hopefully I'll be able to get a couple of other videos up soon. I've got 2 or 3 projects that I have in mind that I want to work on, and hopefully I can get that up and working on soon. Thank you again for your time and watching my video. Have a great evening, and if you feel so inclined, give me a thumbs up if you like my video. If you want to subscribe, please feel free to do so. And if you want to be notified anytime that I'm putting a new video up, just click the notifications button and you'll get a notification that I've posted a new video. Again, have a great evening, a blessed day, and thank you for watching. Look forward to having more videos up here soon. Bye.